Good afternoon and welcome to TradeSetup and the afternoon wrap for the 26th of September. Okay, we're going to take a look at the breakdown today, the price section on the ASX200. We're also going to take a look what we can expect from gold. We've got the S&P 500 and also the Aussie dollar. Okay, looking at the ASX200 30-minute chart here, we had that downtrend there. We found support around the 51.50 zone. We did bounce back up and took out that highs at 52.90, which was holding the trend down. Consolidated from there between 52.65, 53.10, and then broke out to the top side, and we've been building higher lows from here. So we've got a minor higher low here, another here, and we're potentially getting that higher low now at 54.10. Let's just drill out a bit more here. Now, on action for today, we did see that wash out of Friday's lows, contracted lower across Friday, washed out the lows on the open today, and then just pushed up towards that 54.44, which we found a bit of resistance there. Now, if that is a double top, we potentially will expect to roll over, take out the 54.10, have a major contraction of this leg up here from the 51.50 zone. If that 54.10 can hold and we build that minor higher low somewhere around here, say 54.20 to 30, that could take us back up through the highs at 54.44 and just continue that trend higher. We have to see, this is a major zone at 54.33. We have taken it out once and then we did again today, so that's potentially looking like this trend is going to continue higher. We'll have to see how that plays out. Looking at the Aussie dollar there, we've got the 4-hourly chart up here. We've seen that push higher, building higher lows, high low again here at 74.45, and an initial push up to 77.57, and we've seen some contractive price action. Now initially we thought that's this level here at 75, say 75 even, was going to hold, which it did get that kick up, but we made that minor, say a lower high here at 77.30, which we did fail. We saw price action fail and we retested at 74.45. Now at the moment the anchor for the uptrend at 74.45 is holding, but we're not sure whether this is going to be the major lower high below 77.30, or if this level at 76.05 can hold, then we potentially could get a push-ups through 76.50 on our way back up to 77.30, and potentially through that and through the 77.57 highs to new highs. But we'll have to see how that plays out. This leg up at the moment is holding, but it's really dependent on this 76.05 zone holding there. We'll see what happens tonight, and we'll see how price action continues. We are getting towards overbought on the oversold on the 4-hour chart, but really there's a few things we have to see play out first before this can, we're confident that this trend is continue higher. Okay, looking at gold here, a bit like the Aussie, this is a 4-hourly chart. Trend is higher, and that is held at the moment by the 1310, 1305 zones. We don't know whether, it's yet to be proven whether this is just contraction for a break higher, or we're going to roll over, bust below that 1310, 1305 support zones there. If we just make that a bit bigger, we can see prices getting to oversold. But we are holding the highs around that 33 zone there. So potentially we could push up through 1340. Could just butt our head up against 1348 resistance there, and then roll over from there. But at the moment we've got a low here at 1305, built a higher low, and we retested with this move down at around that 1310 mark, and we've just pushed up higher. Now really that zone there, if we can just draw a quick level in here. So that is a key level there for this current trend higher. If that 1331 level can break, then we may contract, and this could be potentially just a lower high. If not, if that can hold and we can take out some of these minor highs here at 1340, yep, we're on our way higher, but we'll have to see how that plays out tonight. Okay, let's take a look at the S&P 500. We saw that failure there not long ago, and then we've been building higher lows from there. Price did contract for a little while until interest rate announcement came out, and then we basically headed higher from there to the 2170, 2180 zones. Have been backing off a bit from there, and we may be looking potentially to find some support at 2157. Price is in oversold territory now, so we do expect that to hold up. If that can hold and provide some good support, and buyers can step in and push prices back up through that 2180 zone, and we could potentially be looking up to the 2192 highs again, or all-time highs. We'll have to see how that plays out and how the US goes tonight. We did have a bit of a sell-off on Friday, only minor, as we had some profit taking after that announcement. But yeah, we'll expect that potentially that 21.57 to hold. We could see some new highs. Let's see how we go tonight. Let's speak again tomorrow.